Hey, it's John-Marc and thanks for checking out my latest drawing videos on teaching you how to draw cartoons in 3 easy steps. Well, if you've continually been watching my latest videos, you've been noticing a trend. That's right. I've been doing a lot of the classic Warner Brothers characters, and this one, as you may know, is Porky Pig. So, one of my favorite characters also, just how he talks. Back then, they had phenomenal voices, and a lot of the times people didn't realize it was done by one person. All those unique voices in Warner Brothers. Anyway, so let's start the lesson. So if you have your paper and pencil, I think we're ready to begin. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final third step. Don't forget to stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy our latest drawing book that's now available on our website, How to Draw 50 Cute Cartoons. So make sure you stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. And thanks a lot.